Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel for today's video. In the kitchen playlist, we are going to try making something new called tabbouleh, and I hope I pronounced that correct. It's like cucumbers and tomatoes and bulgur wheat parsley salad. Sounds delicious, and I'm excited to try it. Quick and easy, so I've seen online. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so all the recipes that I've seen online, and I crammed about a bazillion of them into my brain, call for these basic ingredients. And we have a lot of cucumbers and tomatoes, and that's just kind of what started this quest. So here we have some mint from the aquaponics garden, some green onions or spring onions. I threw in a little bit of cilantro because I love it. A great big bunch of parsley, but all the recipes are making a great big bowl of it. They call for like 2 bunches. Well, we're going to start with this and see how it goes. I've got an assortment of tomatoes from the garden, some lemon juice, some olive oil for dressing it at the end, and it's called bulgur wheat. And this is from Nipawa, right here in Manitoba, so that's pretty cool. And then there we go. It's what it looks like. It's like, let's get it in the better light. Kind of grainy, like maybe a little smaller than quinoa. So I've got that ready to go. It says to do it like rice, but some of the authentic recipes that I looked up and secret tips and stuff say to soak the bulgur with lemon juice rather than boiling it or having the hot water reconstitute it, because then it causes less moisture in the salad at the end, and because of the way this is created, it absorbs the moisture right away and it gives it a really good flavor. So I'm going to try it that way because I did see quite a few authentic recipes that say, hey, this is how our family does it. So there you go, a secret tip. So I'd like it to be nice and dry and fluffy, how it looks in the pictures of the recipe blogs I was looking at. So here we go. We just chop everything up, and we put it in a bowl, and we top it with some olive oil and salt and pepper, and add, mix all that in too. And it's supposed to be this lovely, refreshing, fresh salad. So I guess I'll just put them in separate little parts of the bowl, and I will get back to you after I'm done chopping. Look at how much moisture that's already. That's a very good tip. Thank you, internet people. Okay, so here I have a very large cucumber, and something to watch with end of season cucumbers is they can be bitter. So we're gonna peel this and take all the seeds out of it. But before we do that, a tip, this is proven on the internet, you can look it up, to prevent a cucumber from being bitter, cut the end off of it, and then you just rub it together, and it makes like a milky paste around, and it's sucking the bitterness out of there. It doesn't take very long. And at this point in the game, always taste your cucumbers first. Taste your ingredients. See what's happening there? That's like cucumber science. I do this because that's what my grandma said to do. Cut the end off. See, isn't that crazy? Into the compost. Let's see if that helped. I need to peel this yet. Yeah, I think we're good on the cucumber. So another quick cucumber tip is just trying to get all the seeds and stuff out. Let's take a spoon right down the middle. Yeah. Not easy. Into the compost it goes. Let's see if we get any volunteer cucumbers next year. So yeah, quick and easy. Okay, so I have everything all chopped up. Let's have a look at this. That's the big pile of parsley right there. That's a little pile of cilantro. I got green onions or spring onions or whatever. Nice fresh cucumber, tomatoes out of the garden, and then the bulgur is right here. And I've got a confession. It was still a little gritty when I was finished chopping, like 20 minutes later. So I did microwave it for a minute, and it did come out with a nice, let's see, a nice soft grain texture that I tasted and really enjoyed. And I did have the lemon juice in there and a little bit of the tomatoes, because you don't want all the tomato juice in there. Oh yeah, squish the juice out of your tomatoes. Like, just give them a squish into a bowl, because you don't want it too juicy. So let's give this all a stir up. Mix it up in the bowl. Oh man, that looks so good. Oh, this smells, I wish you could smell this. This parsley is amazing. I love, 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 love parsley anyway. Just the undertones of mint in there smell quite lovely as well. Nice and fresh. But it's not, I'm not a huge mint fan. Like a lot of it in my savory food. But a little bit of it I do enjoy. So there we go. We've got this mixed together pretty well. Now it says to top it with some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. That didn't go too well. And then to also drizzle olive oil on it. Or whatever oil you are using in your salad. Nice little drizzle there. And the lemon juice. I saw some recipes that said to whisk the lemon juice and the mint and the oil together and drizzle that all over. I saw recipes that said to soak the bulgur in lemon juice, which is what I did here. So this is not authentic anything. It's, I found the ingredients and searched the internet for a cool looking recipe. Oh man, that looks delicious. Alright, it says to leave this for approximately 10 minutes. Let the flavors combine. So, I'm going to pop it in the fridge and then we'll have a taste. Okay, so here we've let it sit and marinate in its own spices. Even Laz is here to check it out. Oh goodness. Alright, so let's have a taste of this. This looks fantastic. Parsley and tomato and cucumber and dressing and bulgur wheat. I've never had this before in my life. My mouth is watering. So here we go. I hope it's really good. Laz was thirsty. Might as well keep this running because I'm going to put this at the end. Really? No, I have to have another bite.
You got
so
stuff flashing.
Oh. Alright. So this is absolutely delicious. The mint is really not overpowering at all, which is something I was worried about. I don't know if I have anything in my teeth, so I'm sorry. But there we go. Thank you so much for joining me here in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to try new things. This was quick, easy, and it's delicious. And please feel free to click one of these boxes hanging out around my head. It'll take you to an in the kitchen playlist. The battery's gonna die. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye!